Hello my friends and welcome back to another vlog. Today you join us again on a Saturday. We're going to take you guys through some of our training. We're going to take you guys through our day, have some fun. Let's go. Alright, first things first, espresso. Check this out guys, brand new espresso machine. For those of you who don't know, espresso is actually extremely good for you, especially in high quantities. So, unexpected sequence in the vlog. My beautiful mother has joined us. Say hello, Mom.
Hello.
So she's dropping off a turkey baster and thermometer because we're gonna be cooking turkey and making some broth.
Yay!
So here's the turkey we're making. It's all organic, hormone, antibiotic free, you know, only the best. It may make it into today's vlog, it may not, I don't know, but let's get into training. So just finished warming up and we're gonna get into a little bit of hand balance. But before we do, I can't stress enough the importance of warming up and really taking the time to get your blood flowing, get nutrients in, and eliminate waste products, especially when it comes to the tendons and ligaments because they don't have their own direct blood supply. So the only way to really nourish our joints is to move them. That's a badass handstand right there.
Hey guys, so we just finished our hand balancing portion of our training session for today. And now we're gonna move into some floor work and some improv work. I've come inside into our studio space because it's a lot easier for me because I like to use my socks. But I wanted to leave you with a tip. So if you are wanting to master your handstand, my biggest tip would be to stay consistent and have a structure. So actually create a routine for yourself that you can practice at least once a week. Because if you just kind of hit and miss and all over the place and practice here and there, it's not gonna work.
That was a really great training session. Would you not agree, my queen?
I agree.
Training is done. Time for breakfast. In 3, 2, 1. That's not breakfast. That's Luna! This thing must be broken. Let's try again. That's more like it. I got a couple eggs, some leftover grass-fed beef, a rainforest of kale, my super cat smoothie. Carolyn's got some bacon, eggs, half a banana, baby kale and arugula.
Let's eat.
Unexpected sequence in the vlog. Breakfast was really good, and everyone knows breakfast is not complete without dessert, so we are making almond butter cookies. All right, my queen, break this down for us. What do we got?
Okay, so we got some coconut oil, some organic whole spelt flour, some almond butter, some maple syrup, some vanilla, some baking soda, some pink Himalaya salt, and last but not least, chocolate chips. So I'm just mixing up the wet ingredients, and then I'm gonna pour the dry ingredients in. I'm gonna put the entire recipe in the description below if you wanna make some.
What happened, my queen?
You didn't let me put them in the fridge before we put them in the oven.
It's my fault. I messed up. We were supposed to put the cookies in the fridge to let them set a little bit, and we didn't, and now...
They're paper thin.
All right, here goes nothing. Amazing.
They're so good.
They're good, but very flat. All right, my friends, that's it for this vlog. We're gonna have to sign off here. I want to thank you guys for joining us. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you hadn't already. Check out the recipe in the description and our other videos on the channel, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.